this video, we'll create two workspaces, a company manage and a team manage workspace. We'll try to import data using our sample data in our CSV file going to a company manage workspace. We'll also try to bulk move the sample data in a team manage workspace going to a company manage workspace. Let's create our first workspace. Let's use Scrum. Team manage workspace first. Let's use a default value. Key is TMA. Default. I'll do this later. Okay. Now, team manage workspace ABC is created. Now, we'll create another workspace, Scrum, use template, then it's a company manage ABC, use default value, okay. Now, we can view workspace created. So we have company manage ABC and team manage ABC. Let's go to I'll start this two items. Let's go to our company manage ABC. Right now, there is no data. Let's do an import. Import from CSV. Choose file. We'll choose test data. But for now, there is no default value or default type. So let's put type here. And it will be epic. So epic will be epic. Okay. So that I already saved. Let's select. Let's click next. Let's select our company manage ABC. Click next. So our epic will be the summary. Label will be label. Then type will be type. We click map field value. Click next. So we have a preview of the data we're going to import. We have the epic names, we have the label names, and we have the type. Let's begin import. Import successful. Let's do a refresh. So we have our epic A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, if we don't put the type here, let's remove the type. Let's try to import again. Import from okay. Import work from CSV. Choose file, the same file. Next. Select ABC, company manage ABC. We select summary. We select label. And we tick map field value. Right now, we're not seeing the work type. Okay, we begin import. Import is done. Okay, just to make sure, we'll do a refresh. Now, we have Epic A, B, C, D, E, F created as type story. So, this demo tells us that if we don't specify the type we're importing, it is defaulting to a user story. Now, let's go to our team manage data or board or workspace. Let's create a sample data. Let's select Epic, Epic 1. Create Epic 2. And let's create Epic 3. Let's do a refresh. We select all values. So we already created Epic 1, 2, 3. Now let's do a bulk change work item. We select all items. Click next. Let's select move work item. Now, so what we do is we select company manage ABC. Type is, of course, Epic. Let's click next. So again, team manage ABC, going to company manage ABC, Epic, Epic. To do. Okay. Just click next. Let's confirm. Let's do a refresh. 100% complete. When you do a refresh here, your team managed data is no longer here because it's already moved to our company manage workspace. So we have Epic 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope this helps in trying to import or move data from different workspaces.